So a few things about this problem. We're asked to take a square root of a negative. And a square root of any negative number is going to involve having an I on the outside. So before we do anything, let's just take care of that. We can factor out an I, because I represents the square root of -1. So it's like we took square root of -1 times square root of 64. So put the I on the outside. So every time you see a square root of a negative, put an I. And so now we can simplify a little bit further. A square root is an exponent, and so since this is all one term, we can break it up like this. And a square root is an exponent because it's to the 1/2 power. It doesn't really help with the 64, but thinking about it as the 1/2 power will help us with y to the 8th. A power on top of a power is going to multiply, so we're going to have y to the 4th there when we're done. And we know what square root of 64 is. Y to the 8th to the 1/2, that's y to the 4th, because the powers multiply like we said. And then z to the 6th to the 1/2, if you're multiplying by 1/2, you're just cutting the number in half. Oops, I dropped my I. But this is our final simplified answer.